How you trade crypto arbitrage trading, buying assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and selling the same assets at a higher price in a decentralized platform or exchange. So we'll be receiving in our external wallet. So we are buying low on Binance, selling high on Tranquilly, but our profits will be sent with the merchant in our Binance account. I know you don't know how to do such a trade, so make sure you watch to the end. You click the link in my bio, join free classes, and if you comment crypto arbitrage trading, you can get free capital. So we are starting by buying low. We have already 800 and 47 in our Binance, so you should take note of that. Then in our Ranquilly, we have over 300,000. So that means my Ranquilly is funded and also my Binance is funded. So if you don't know how to fund your Ranquilly, make sure you chat me and I will guide you, or you just comment fund Ranquilly and I'll do a video for you. So we shouldn't go off the topic. We are trading crypto arbitrage trading, buying assets at a lower price in a centralized platform, selling them at a higher price in a decentralized platform, and the funds will be sent to our Binance. So let's start the magic. So you'll come to your Anquilly after you deposit to it. Good capital is 100 USDTs and above. It has good profits. So click on P2P arbitrage. Then we are selling. So I'll sell more than 100, or we can do 100 and more. I want good rate. Let me see this one, what I'll get. So there are different merchants. 107, that's little. I want something bigger. Let me see. You can see below 100, it has small profits. So I don't know if I'll get 136. Let me try this one. 2.20. So let's try 100. We will be trading with 100 USDTs with this merchant. He's called Matrix Coin Pro Max. So if you have time, you can go find him. Maybe if the rates haven't changed. So how much we'll be selling? Let me copy my address. And we said the address you provide here is your Anquilly address, the one you use to fund your Anquilly. So if you haven't funded, no, it is not this one. We are receiving in our external wallet, my bad. So I'll go to Binance, copy my deposit address. This is what we use. Add funds, deposit assets. So USDT. Then we choose the network. No, it is not that one. It is USDT TRC20. So we'll use TRC20, copy the address, go back to Ranquilly, external wallet, then we choose Binance, we paste our Binance address. So our funds will be sent direct to our Binance address, and it will be 215.60 USDT. So we review and I'll explain this one. So Matrix Coin Pro Max is the merchant. So the capital we're using is 100 USDTs. Market price is 1.0, that is in Binance, and here the rate is 2.20. So after P2P fee of 4.40, we'll get 215.60 in our Binance account. So you can see here confirm payments before release somewhere here. For security, please verify that payment has been received in your external wallet before releasing your assets. Do not release until you have confirmed the funds. So another thing I wanted to explain on this page is escrow protection. That means the funds must be sent to your Binance account, you confirm, then you come and release them from Ranquilly. So let me confirm the trade, then we wait for some minutes. Maximum trade time is 30 minutes. So sometimes if the merchant is online, he can send in 2 to 15 minutes because of the blockchain confirmation. So that's how arbitrage trading works. If you have any question, make sure you comment. Meanwhile, let's wait for our profits in arbitrage. And another thing I wanted to say about withdrawals, make sure after 2 trades you make a withdrawals in Tranquilly, so you can withdraw to your external wallet and you won't have any problems. People have been saying that I don't talk about withdrawals, and I've been doing withdrawals daily, and I'll be posting testimonies of those who have made withdrawals. So let's be in touch, as we wait our withdrawal. So guys, in arbitrage, you need to confirm, most especially in when you are receiving in your external wallet, is the payment in your external wallet, and that is Binance for our case. So let's confirm. We've been paid 215.60, and my balance right now is at 1,663. So I'll go to my trade, and you can see it has been marked paid. So just release, and as easy as that. So my funds have been sent to the merchant, and the merchant has sent me the USD. So arbitrage trading has been complete. So if you have any question about arbitrage trading,